Let me guess. You came to find out if a baby born in Spain gets Spanish nationality, yes or no? Okay, I don't care if it's yes or no. No, a baby born in Spain does not obtain Spanish nationality, just by being born in Spain. That's generally speaking. Okay, because in Spain what applies is the right of blood. That is to say, it doesn't matter where you are born, if your parents or at least one of them is Spanish, you will be Spanish. The place where you are born doesn't matter. This is called ius sanguinis, right of blood. In other places, like for example the USA, the ius soli applies, which is the right according to which you acquire the nationality of the soil that is shining on you when you are born. Basically nationality by territory. Okay, well in most countries that doesn't apply. Therefore, in most countries, including Spain, if a baby is born in that country, just by being born in that non-Spanish country, they are not from that country. That is the general answer. Does that mean there are exceptions? Okay, what are the exceptions? Take note because I'm going to give you the only exceptions that exist. Anyone telling you otherwise is lying. The ones I'm going to tell you are the only exceptions to the rule that a baby born in Spain is not Spanish just by being born in Spain. First exception, if one of your parents is a foreigner who was born in Spain, makes sense, right? I just told you that being born in Spain doesn't grant you nationality. Well, if that happened to your father who was born in Spain and he wasn't granted nationality and still isn't Spanish, then you, being the second generation born in Spain, so to speak, will indeed be granted nationality. That is an exception. The other exception is of supreme interest to the immigrant community. In Spain, especially those from certain countries, because it is the Spanish nationality with the value of simple presumption. That is the other exception. This is an original nationality that will be granted to your child if both parents have one of the following nationalities. I'll list them below. These are the nationalities that do not automatically grant the nationality of that parent country to a baby born abroad to their nationals. I hope I made myself clear. Basically, it's a protection for minors against statelessness. So Spain comes and says, well, since both of you are either stateless or from a country that does not automatically grant nationality to that minor just because they were born abroad, then to prevent that child from being stateless, come, I will grant them Spanish nationality with the value of simple presumption, because since they were born in Spain and have no other nationality, I will presume they are Spanish. Well, I mentioned two exceptions. There is a third one, and that is when a baby is born in Spain and their parents are unknown. It is not known, that baby was found somewhere and no one knows who their parents are. Well, that baby will also be Spanish by origin. Basically to protect them, just like in the case of the second exception. Three exceptions only in these three cases. If your baby is born in Spain, they will be Spanish. And be very careful with the second exception, which is the nationality with the value of simple presumption, because since it is a protection against statelessness, you cannot have previously registered that baby as a national of your country. For example, if you are Colombian, you cannot first go to the consulate, obtain Colombian nationality for the baby, and then request Spanish nationality by presumption, because they will not grant it. You need to not register the baby, obtain Spanish nationality, and then you can decide what to do next. As related information, if you are in an irregular status in Spain and you have a child with Spanish nationality, you can apply for family roots as of today, which is basically a residence and work authorization for 5 years or an authorization for relatives of Spaniards after May 20th, 2025. However, it is the same, a residence and work authorization for 5 years, where you basically only need to prove that the child is Spanish, that they live with you, meaning that you are registered together, or if they do not live with you, that you are up to date with your parental obligations, that you provide their child support, and so on. And that's all. If you want us to make a video specifically about this concept of nationality by presumption and the step-by-step process you need to follow to obtain your residence and work authorization in Spain after obtaining the child's nationality, let us know in the comments. We would be delighted. Also, any specific questions you have, leave them there for us. And if you personally wish to have an interview with me or a member of our team to outline the best path towards your legal residency or Spanish nationality, you can find a link in the description box below where you can directly schedule a consultation or contact us. The contact methods are also there and we will schedule it for you. Remember that we have a satisfaction guarantee, according to which if you don't get what you're looking for, if you don't obtain your papers or your nationality, then you don't pay us a cent. This basically applies in most of our cases, but not all. Ask me if you have the consultation with me or the advisor assigned to you. I repeat, we will be delighted to help you. Thank you for your like, thank you for your comment, thank you for your subscription. If you haven't done it, please do it. We need it to keep moving forward with the channel, and we'll see you next time. See.